Hello everybody and welcome back to today's video. First and foremost, I don't know if you can see this glow over here, like the glow over here. That's because I got my ring light, finally. If you're new to my channel, you know the drill, bitch. Hello, bitch! My name is Fahd and welcome back to today's video. I know it's been a while again, but I'm back to show what I've got during my birthdays. Not just my birthdays too, but also the stuff that I got from last month before my birthday. Because I feel like it's been a while since I last created a video, like a haul video. So if you want to see what I've got during my birthdays and before even my birthday, please keep on watching. So I recently turned 18 last month, which was June 23rd, and due to busy schedule, I've actually got a new phone from Optus. Ayan, yes, Optus. It is an iPhone X Max in a color gold. Yan. So I actually also got a power bank. Now a wireless power bank where you can charge your phone by just sticking into it. So high tech. Bongga. I got the iPhone XS Max 64GB in the color gold. So it's like this. And so it actually has everything now. The screen protector, the case at the back, and I've actually got this June 2, if I'm not mistaken, so I've been using this one for a while now. I know it's a lot for a phone, but I chose to upgrade kasi you know what I mean. Like, And then I also bought this phone kasi it was also Blackpink concert, kaya binili ko siya ng maaga. And then during sa concert, cameras are not allowed, so I decided to get this phone so I have a good camera to use while sa concert, you know, party party, yes, ganun. So kailangan medyo matino yung camera natin for vlogging at the same time. That's why I also got this one. And of course, I got this for myself for my 18th birthday celebration. Now, I'm really happy with my purchase kasi this one does its job talaga. Like, super bilis, the camera is really good, the quality is really nice, super fast, it's not lagging compared to my old phone which was the iPhone 6. Yeah, so it's a pretty good investment talaga. And then, the power bank that comes with this phone is actually like this, ganito siya. And then, kapag you-charge siya, of course, you need to turn on the power button. And then after turning the power button, you just need to do it like that. And it will automatically charge the phone by itself, which is pretty good. Kasi sometimes when like having the wires, it's like parang hassle siya kasi diba syempre ang haba-haba ng wire and kailangan mo i-charge. And then the next one that I've got is from Adidas. So when we went to Blackpink, when I went to Sydney, I've already uploaded the vlog, guys. So if you want to see the video, then please go ahead and watch it. I'll put the link down in the description box or in the I button. When I went to the Blackpink concert, so we actually had a little bit time to shop. And then I went to Adidas to buy this sweater. So ganito siya, Adidas. And then it's a big size tracksuit na alam ko everyone has this one. Pero I decided to get my hands on this type of jacket. Alam niyo sa sleeves niya may ganyan siya. Wala lang, very simple, very comfy. Good for every day, especially if it's winter, if it's cold, because it can actually really warm you up. This one is a size L. It's actually the size XL and it is $120. Yan siya, ganyan siya. I'll insert a picture here like of me wearing this kind of jacket. It's really nice. It's a good investment for a jacket ever since, like, believe it or not, I don't have any Adidas shirt or jacket. So, and also guys, just a disclaimer that everything that I spent on this stuff, it is actually from my own money. I didn't ask any money to my parents, and I'm saying that in a good way, just so you guys know, kasi later on I might see some comments there na spoil or something. Talagang pinagtrabahuhan ko yan para makuha ko silang lahat, and I'm happy with my purchase. So, just making clear, don't bash me. And then, sabi ko nga, since I filmed this haul quite late na, I've also used this jacket for like 3 parties or 4 parties already. Kasi super comfy lang nito. Like, you can just wear something like a shirt inside or a sweater and then just put this one in and then some pants or like shorts. It's really comfy and it's easy to use, like easy to go. That's why. And then the next one that I've got is actually from Mecca. So just so you guys know, Mecca is actually like a Sephora here in Australia. They do sell some products also that doesn't go with Sephora, and then you make the Sephora, and then they also have like a lot of products too. Like they have similar products na makikita nyo sa Sephora, pero may mga products din na wala sa Sephora na nasa Mecca. So I've got heaps of products from NARS. Okay, so the first product that I got from Mecca is the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. It's really fun kasi hindi naman ako masyadong fan mag-use ng mga ganong types of product, pero it's really good. It's really nice. Super worth it. Super ganda. So yun, inside the box, ganito siya kalaki. Ganito kalaki yung container niya. And since it's a Pore and Shine primer, I feel like this one is mattifying. Kasi the last time that I've used this one, like wala talagang oil yung face ko. Like super dry talaga. Lalo na sa T-zone, naglagay ako niyan. Actually, it is really good. Is it really promising? Kasi nga, Pore and Shine Control. I really love it. Pero, I won't use it as much because I like my face dewy and a little bit oily. I'm not into really a mattifying primers, pero I really like this one. I would only use this one for special occasions. Alam niyo yun, pag trip ko lang na mattify yung face. If I'm not mistaken, I got this primer for $55, so it's not a pretty bad. It is actually my first primer ever. Like, I don't really use primer, guys. I only use moisturizer, pero it's not a bad investment for a primer, you know what I mean? Because it's really good and it really does its job. So the next one that I've got is the NARS Orgasm blush. Just go grabe. I've been dreaming for this blush ever since talaga, like ever since. I really worked hard to get this one. And then, so this is the box, and then inside the box is a carton, and then inside the carton is the product. So it is actually this small. Sobrang maliit lang siya. Sobrang maliit. I thought it's quite big because the packaging is like somehow big, but it's not that big, to be honest. It's just this big. Then when you open it, it's like that. Maliit lang talaga siya, and then ito yung lid niya, product niya, and then this one is the product itself. I've actually used this one a few times now, and it's really good. It's not bad. Like everyone was like saying that this color is universal. It will actually suit every skin tone. So maganda rin siya, especially nagustuhan ko rin siya. Although madami lang talaga siyang glitters. Now I actually got this blush for $46, so it's not bad. You know what I mean? I work hard for it. If you want an in-depth tutorial about that one, I will make really soon. But for today's video, it's just haul. Pakita ko naman yung mga nabili ko, okay? And then the next one that I've got, is the NARS Lip Duo. So it actually comes with a liquid lipstick and then the lip crayon. So I actually got it in the shade Undressed. So inside this box, there's a carton again, and inside the carton, these two products. So maliit lang din siya for a sample size. Just like that. The good thing about this one, the reason why I picked these two colors, because this one is like the closest to my lips. So parang you can wear it every day, anywhere, kasi nga malapit lang naman sa lips mo. Hindi naman siya masyadong bold, hindi siya masyadong bright. Talagang kakulay lang din talaga siya ng lips. So super ganda. I'm gonna show you some swatches later. But it's really good. I really like it. And then if you want something that is super easy to remove and super easy to wear, I really love this NARS lip pencil. The only thing is, hindi ko lang siya ma-work kung ito na ba yung product or... And then, of course, the liquid one is lightweight, super lightweight. Parang wala kang nilagay sa lips mo. Parang nilawayan mo lang yung lips mo yung ganung level. So, super lightweight din niya, super ganda. Now, for these two products, I got this for $34 and... not bad. For the next one, I decided to invest for a powder, for a loose powder, because I've been using the Nutritional Final loose powder for a while now, and I was so intrigued about the Laura Mercier, so I decided to get the travel pack one. I didn't get the bigger one because I feel like that's too much for a final powder, for the loose powder. That's why I was like, I'm gonna get the travel size pack just to test. It's really good. I'm so excited to try that one, especially nung binuksan ko siya, medyo fine talaga yung powder siya. Pinang-pinang, salang-sala talaga, scrape na scrape. Now the bigger one, the bigger size of this one retails for $60. No, no thanks. And this one I think is $35 or $30. So I decided to get this one because I feel like $60 is like a lot for a powder. So thank you, Nick. Forgot to tell you, I also got the Dior Addict lip gloss. Now this is far the most expensive product that I ever bought. It retails for $55 or $60. Celebration. I actually have 4 birthday celebrations pretty much. And I've used this one. It's really good. It's super nice. No, I feel like a bougie-ass person because I bought something from Dior. Dior Addict Stellar Shine City Dream 535. This is actually my second choice ng shade. It's literally like this. Ganyan yung content, diba? Packaging pa lang nangangabog na, day. And then ganyan siya. And then this is the gloss itself. So for $55, you can only get this much product. That's it for $55. For Mecca is this Badescu facial spray. Now, if you've been a subscriber for a while of me now, you know how much I love the 3 sprays, like the green one, the pink one, and this purple one. Now, before I was so obsessed with the pink one, but then when I started trying this one out, I prefer using the purple one over the pink one. I have the same finish, of course, but I feel like this one is much better than the pink one, so I got this one. This one is really moisturizing, really nice, a good investment for moisturizing and priming your face before everything. It's really good too. Gusto ko rin to, kaya I decided to get the bigger one. Henriksen Banana Eye Cream Prime. No, sorry. Let me check. This is the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Yeah, super nice. I've been using this for a while now, like 2 months or a month. And I'm just using it every day before going to school, like under eyes, pang moisturize lang ng under eyes. And then it really does the job, like it helps in lightening the dark circles underneath your eyes. And then I'm also using this one for my acne marks. I know you're not supposed to use an under eye cream for acne marks, but it's super good talaga. Like discoloration ng mga dark spots, like can actually lighten. That's why this is my holy grail so far. Like, especially before putting your concealer on, it's really good as well. It will lessen the cake up on your face. This one actually retails for $55 or $50. Well, it's not a bad investment because it's super powerful. If you want an in-depth tutorial about this one or in-depth review about this one, I'm happy to do it. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so that's pretty much what I've got when I went to Sydney and for my birthday. Aside from the birthday tickets or the Blackpink tickets, I also got that one for my birthday. So aside from the birthday cards that I've got, ayan, sobrang dami niyan. This one is actually from a friend of mine. I know that, sis. One is from a friend as well. They know it, sis. They know it. I think that's pretty much all that I've got for my birthday. Anyways, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy this kind of video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And always remember, sis, to put your packness to the next level. See you guys in my next video. Bye!